The Cebu MICE Alliance has officially launched its comprehensive guidebook for the ASEAN Tourism Forum, which kicks off this Wednesday. Jim Rabiosa has more.
The Cebu MICE, or Meetings, Incentives, Conferences and Events Alliance, officially launched the Cebu MICE Guidebook, a travel exchange of the ASEAN Tourism Forum held at Mactan Expo yesterday, Wednesday, January 28. The launch was attended by the key tourism and business leaders, including Department of Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco and Cebu MICE Alliance President Cleofe Albizo. In her message, Ms. Cleofe Albizo, representing the Cebu MICE Alliance, warmly welcomed tourism leaders, ASEAN delegates, industry partners, and members of the media. She emphasized Cebu's readiness to host international events rooted in the collaboration, professionalism, and authentic Cebuano hospitality.
The Cebu MICE Alliance was formed from a shared belief that Cebu's greatest strength lies in collaboration. From the beginning, it was envisioned as a platform where public and private sectors move together. Hotels, venues, suppliers, government agencies, and communities guided by one purpose: to build a MICE destination that is competitive, inclusive, and future-ready.
The 200-page guidebook showcased Cebu's rich culture, cuisine, and diverse offerings, aiming to position the island as a premier destination for both business and leisure. It features comprehensive information on dining, accommodations, event venues, festivals, suppliers, and local performers, serving as a practical guide for event organizers, investors, and travelers alike. This initiative also highlights Cebu's growing reputation as a business meets leisure destination where robust international connectivity is paired with unique local experiences. By meeting the global standards and demands of the MICE industry, Cebu aims to attract more investment, create jobs, and further strengthen its tourism sector. The Department of Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco praised the guidebook as a significant achievement for Cebu's MICE industry, describing it as a clear and credible reference that showcases the province's venues, services, and capabilities.
This guide reflects a shared commitment to professional standards, market clarity, and reliable delivery, qualities that global partners and event organizers look for when choosing a destination. As the first comprehensive MICE guide for Cebu, this serves a clear purpose: to serve in one reference the venues, services, capabilities that position Cebu competitively in the regional and international MICE market.
Alongside the launch, Cebu is hosting the ATF Travel Exchange, or TRAVEX, at the Mactan Expo, solidifying the province's role as an emerging hub for tourism and business events in Southeast Asia. Reporting from Cebu, for God and our beloved Philippines, Jim Rabiosa, SMNI News.